Hey, Summit host, Dr. Mark T. Wade here, founder of Virtual Summit Software, creator of the One Day Summit, and your host on the Virtual Summit podcast. So I wanted to tell you about our live summit workshops. So we do this weekly workshop, which is around 20 to 30 minutes of live summit strategy, where we're going to take you inside of a specific strategy to increase the success of your virtual summit and to overcome any possible failures or challenges that you might see along the way with your summit. So this came out of a need of necessity. At least daily, I get an email from somebody asking to pick my brain, hop on a call with me to talk about their virtual summit idea or theme or how to improve it and what information they can get. So what we decided to do is to just run these weekly free virtual summit live training sessions. So if you click the link below or over to the side, you can opt in for the notifications of each week, what topic we'll be covering on that week's workshop, as well as be able to get access to the on-demand version of it. So the way we've laid these out so far is we're going to do 20 to 30 minutes of strategy. If we have an offer, an opportunity, a guide, a resource, or something like that, we'll provide it at that time. And then we'll open it up for live Q&A. So if you're in the process of either thinking about starting a virtual summit or hosting a virtual summit, or you're in the process of building your virtual summit and you have questions or concerns or thoughts you want to have answered, so you make sure that you're doing it the best way possible, or maybe you're in the middle of your virtual summit right now and you want to know how to increase your summit attendees, any challenges you might be facing, or maybe you've just completed your summit and you're looking on how can you repurpose it, what are the EverSummit protocols, things like that. All of those questions that you have along your journey of a virtual summit, you can ask us on our live summit training. You can pick my brain. I'll give you the best answers and information available. And this comes from hosting over 10 summits of my own, helping hundreds of other people host their summits, generating hundreds of thousands of leads and millions of dollars, all from virtual summits. So I'm really, really looking forward to having you on our live summit workshop. And of course, you can always submit your question in advance. If you have a specific question, you know you're not going to be there live with us. We'd love for you to be live with us. It makes it a lot of fun. We always have a good group of people that are there with us, engaging, interacting. But also, if you have suggestions or questions or specific themes or strategies you want us to cover on a virtual summit, you can submit those as well, and we'll add those to the list of the different suggestions we have for our summit workshops. So please be sure to sign up for the notifications. We would love to have you on this live summit workshop. We've been hearing that it's been extremely valuable for those who've attended the last few, and we're looking forward to keeping this going. So if you have any questions, submit those to us in advance. We'll cover those on the live workshops. Be sure to sign up for the notifications so you don't miss the live workshop, as well as to be able to get the on-demand recording back and notifications of any special offers, promotions, resources that we've created to provide as well. Look forward to see you on our next live workshop. Remember, go out and make an impact in the world.